Everyone raves about humanoid robots, futuristic machines full of promise, paraded as tech marvels. But behind the flashy demos, most are nothing more than high-tech toys, built to impress, not to work. Except for this one. Unseen by the public, this robot has spent months working inside a factory, quietly stepping into roles once filled by humans. No hype, no spectacle, just real labor, day after day. Now it's getting an upgrade, Figure 03, and for the first time it's leaving the factory behind. The promise is simple and bold, to do real work in our homes. Is this the beginning of robots as true helpers, or the start of a new era entirely? For the past 5 months, inside a BMW factory in South Carolina, a humanoid robot has quietly been working shifts, often up to 10 hours long, sometimes even completing a 20-hour run. It handles sheet metal, assembles parts, and has become part of the daily routine, taking over hours of human labor, not as a headline or a demo, but as an actual member of the factory team. For the first time, we're watching humanoid robots step out of the lab and truly reshape everyday work. Now, that same factory-tested robot is evolving. Enter Figure 03, a major upgrade taking the lessons learned on the factory floor and building something even more capable. It's lighter, smarter, and equipped with advanced sensors designed not just for factories, but for the unpredictable environment of our homes. New fingertip sensors give it a delicate touch, and its AI helps it understand both objects and instructions in real time. But the real breakthrough? Figure 03 is designed for mass production. It's no longer a custom prototype or a one-off unit. It's engineered to be made by the thousands, ready for deployment far beyond the factory walls. With this update, the promise shifts from industrial labor to everyday life. For the first time, we're on the edge of seeing a humanoid robot capable of handling ordinary chores, folding towels, loading dishes, and taking care of tasks that, until now, only humans could do at home.
For the first time, this technology isn't stopping at factory doors. Figure 03 is built for real work in real homes. Imagine a robot that doesn't just vacuum or play music, but helps fold towels, loads your dishwasher, puts away groceries, or tackles the repetitive chores that fill our days. It's designed to handle unpredictable environments, tight spaces, and delicate objects, precisely the things that have always held robots back from working in our homes. This isn't about another demo or futuristic toy. Figure 03 is aiming to become a true home assistant, practical, tireless, and ready to take on the jobs most of us would rather skip. If it succeeds, it changes what it means to live and work alongside robots, not in the distant future, but possibly much sooner than anyone expected.
With Figure 03 stepping into our homes, a new wave of questions begins. Will robots like this make life easier, freeing us from the endless cycle of chores and giving us more time for family, creativity, and rest? Or are we looking at the start of a world where even more jobs are automated away? Will having a humanoid robot in your home feel natural or change the way we interact with technology and each other? And if Figure 03 really delivers on its promise, could this be the tipping point, the true beginning of the age of everyday robots? Are we ready for a world where intelligent machines quietly take over work that until now only people could do?
It started quietly, away from headlines, in a factory where machines and people have shared space for decades. For 5 months, this robot proved it could handle the kind of work that wears humans down. Long shifts, heavy lifting, relentless precision. Not a promise, not a prototype, but real results. Now that story is about to leave the assembly line behind. Figure 03 isn't here to be a gadget or a gimmick. It's promising to become part of our daily lives. The chores we dread, the routines we take for granted. This robot is designed to quietly take them on, working beside us, sometimes in place of us. But as doors open to this technology, new questions come flooding in. Does this mark the beginning of a truly automated home? Will it free us from drudgery or deepen our dependence on machines? What happens to the value of labor and connection when robots become part of the family rhythm? Imagine looking around your own home and seeing the first wave of change, not just on a screen, but in your kitchen or laundry room. Are we witnessing a revolution that will lift burdens or a shift that comes with costs we haven't yet imagined? So, what do you think? Would you trust a humanoid robot in your home? Is this the next big leap forward in comfort and freedom, or the start of a future we need to question and shape together? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your views, hopes, or worries in the comments below, because the age of robots isn't coming someday. It's knocking at the door right now.